Good day. Our company is replacing R404A with 407 refrigerant. Unitor, by the way, 52 kilograms. 52.7. This is the remaining refrigerant on board. 404A. But they replace it. All empty tanks 404A. They will replace it. I'll explain to you why they replace it. Okay, open the vapor or gas. They said empty. Okay, this is the empty one. We check 26.6. The previous one, the remaining on board ROB is 52.6. It means that is the weight together with the tank. Okay, R404A small tanks 9.5 kg. The big tank 45 kg. It means that is the quantity without bottle. Okay, 26.6 means there is a 0.6 remaining. See, there is a vapor. That is the liquid valve. Okay, we try another one that is totally empty. This one is empty. This is our weighing scale, the refrigerant weighing scale. Okay, this is how to calibrate. Put to 0 wing 0.00. Okay, and then this is the empty tanks. Open up, all empty. Because I opened the gas and the liquid, there is no pressure. What is the weight? 26.0. Okay, it means the empty tank, totally empty tank is 26. It means our ROV, the previous tank is 52 minus the empty tank is 26 equals 26 kg. That is our remaining ROB of refrigerant R404. Okay, this is the label for the GWP. It means global warming potential. For example, 45 kilograms for our bottle, large bottle. For example, the R404 is 3922 GWP. It means global warming potential. Higher value, it means harmful. That's why they choose the lesser value. It is less GWP value. 407, that is their preferred refrigerant that they supplied to us.